Hi, yes. Next topic, underline tag. It is used to underline the text. It is a container element. Syntax, underline tag open bracket and closing bracket. Program first output observed. This is the important word. In this word, along with the underline, output displayed here. How to write this program? HTML, head, title, about, underline, title closing bracket, heading closing bracket, body opening bracket, heading 2, underline opening bracket U. This is important word. Underline closing bracket. Heading 2 closed. Next body closed. Next HTML closed. In this underline topic, I am explaining 2 programs every time. Sometimes some programs not have any 2 programs. So how many have the 2 programs? That all completely I am explained along with the textbook. So anyone first saw my channel, please subscribe and like and comment. Any doubts, comment section, comment there. And you don't know any answers in the HTML programs, please comment section post and reply to along with YouTube video. Next, in this program along with you practically. See here, HTML, head, title, about, underline, tag, title, closing bracket, head closing bracket, body, open, heading 2, underline, what is underline here? This is important word. This is important word. Underline, closing bracket, heading, closing bracket, body, closing bracket, and HTML also closing bracket. So now save this one. Now open the output. See here, this is the important word. The complete word I am underlined here. Okay. Spelling mistakes not important. Please understand the program. So, understand this program. The second program I am explaining now. See here, HTML underline program. Second program, this one, HTML, head, title, about, underline, title closing bracket, heading closing bracket, normal text is this word in this sentence completely in the normal. See, observe here along with no underline here. Okay, underline text word, that sentence have the underline. So in this output, using this program, so normal text not give the any underline opening bracket and closing bracket. Wherever I am getting underline the text in this sentence before opening bracket underline, closing bracket underline. So next body closing bracket and HTML closing bracket. So understand in this program along with the practice. See here, HTML, head, about, underline, tag, head, normal text, head closing tag, HTML opening tag, head opening tag, title opening tag, title closing tag. Now its head closing tag, body opening tag. Body, what is that? Normal text not give to any underline. Underline where you are started. Underline the text. Underline the text before I am underline opening tag and underline closing tag. Now body completed, so now closing tag given here, HTML program completed, closing tag given here. Now see the output. See, normal text, any underline is here? No. Where was started underline? Underline, the text sentence is started underline. So in this way, underline tag using in your HTML. Next, anyone first saw my video, please subscribe and comment, and any doubts comment section post. I'm making the one video and upload that video in your doubts video. Next, I'm explaining another topic. Next video, mark text. Mark text means how to highlight the text. Okay, how to highlight the text I'm explaining to the next video. Okay, that video, that mark text only one program is there available for me. So one program only explain. So continue the next video. Meet to next video, friends. So any doubts, please comment section post. Please like me my video. Thank you.